In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel or Google Sheet formulas in Zapier, all within 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Zapier user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up automated workflows with your spreadsheets. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website. Once you're there, in the top right corner, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Zapier gives you the convenience of logging in with your Google account, which makes things nice and simple. If you haven't already, use your Google account credentials to log in. Now once you're in, you'll land on the Zapier homepage. Here you'll notice a button that says Create. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Zaps. This will take you to a new area where you can begin building your workflow. The first thing you need to do here is click on Trigger. This is where we'll set up the event that will kick off our automation. In the trigger step, you'll type in Typeform. Select Typeform from the list and then proceed to choose an event. For this example, let's go with New Entry. This option will trigger your Zap every time there's a new entry in Typeform. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Typeform account. Follow the instructions to get that all set up. Next, let's give this a test. Zapier makes this easy with a simple test button. Go ahead and click that to ensure everything is connected properly. Once you've verified that your trigger is good to go, it's time to move on to the action step. Now click on Action. This time, search for and select Google Sheets. Select the event Clear Spreadsheet Rows. This action will clear specific rows in your Google Sheet based on the criteria you set. You'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Hit that test button once more to make sure all is set. With everything connected, you can add another step to enhance your automation. Click the little plus sign to add a new action step. Again, select Google Sheets. This time choose the event Update Spreadsheet Row. This is going to allow you to perform updates on specific rows based on newly added Typeform entries. Once you've got that set up, give it another test to confirm it's all working seamlessly, and just like that, the final step is to publish your new Zap. You'll see a publish button, click it to make your automation live, and there you have it, your Zap is up and running, integrating Typeform with Google Sheets to automate and streamline your work. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to explore more possibilities with Zapier. Thanks for tuning in and happy zapping.